Ice swallowed them whole. Imagine 33 ships, frozen and helpless in the harsh Arctic ice of 1871. Stranded were 1,219 souls, unintended captives of nature's unforgiving grip. So, this unexpected calamity, the Nantucket Whaling Disaster, unfolded, capturing both man's audacity and nature's might. Arrogantly dancing with destiny, whalers found themselves at a dangerous crossroads. Yet, their plight forced a change in the whaling industry, birthing unprecedented survival tales. But in the shadowy embrace of ice, a stark lesson was learned about man's limits against nature. Curious? It left scars,